Alright, today we're going to be learning how to do a Doodle Meet. Create a meeting using Doodle. What this is. Let's see. First thing we're going to do is get to our Doodle engine, which is essentially the equivalent of Google Drive to Doodle. It's where you go through everything. Go ahead and create a Doodle. Let's see. And it's going to put this on a calendar. So let's say this is Doodle Meet 1. Okay. Add location, the office. Just use the office. Add note. Bring a blanket. Alrighty, next step, we're going to choose a day of the week to do it, and we can look at the calendar monthly, or we can send a text. Now, I like to do it bi-weekly, so let's go ahead and say every Monday at 8 a.m. we're going to have a meeting, Doodle Meet 1, and Doodle Meet 1 will have, again, for the people who missed the first Doodle Meet, on Friday at 8 a.m. Not good. Cancel that one. Okay. So we're going to continue. And this is for the polls and stuff that you can do. And we're not going to set any of that. So we're just going to continue. And tell me. So this is going to send out to our representative. My name is Ryan. My email is, let's just put this random email here. Go to finish. And this is where we send out the links to everybody. So you would copy this and you'd send it to everybody. See, I don't like this part where they have all these ads on here, but when you make an account, those all go away. So yeah, you just copy this link and you send it to people, and anybody can access it. So that's how you do a Doodle.